Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the Xbox error code 0x, a bunch of zeros and then 1, and this is basically can't download or install Xbox app games. So in order to fix this error code, the first thing I recommend you guys doing is heading over to the Xbox app. Actually, before we do that, I would recommend you guys simply just restarting your PC because this is one of the most simplest fixes and it works 99% of the time. So you might as well try it and check to see if that fixes the issue. But once you do that, the second method I recommend you guys doing is open up the Xbox app, go to your profile in the top right, and go ahead and just click, go ahead and click on your username, and then go down to sign out. So go ahead and sign out of your account. Once you sign back in, you can check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method I recommend you guys doing is simply just delete the app and then reinstall it, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue as well. And once you do all of these things, you should be good to go, and your game should not be running. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.